Have you ever wondered how to bring Meta AI into your group conversation on Messenger? Here's how. To start off, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Soon after, enter the group chat where you want to use Meta AI. Once you are inside the chat, look towards the bottom left corner and click on the plus icon. As the menu opens, look at the available option and select Meta AI to activate it instantly. However, if the Meta AI option doesn't appear, return to the message bar and click on it. Now type the symbol and select Meta AI. Furthermore, enter your question or command. After composing your prompt, press the send button. Finally, Meta AI will respond directly inside the group chat, allowing everyone in the group to see the answer. And that's it. This is how to use Meta AI in Messenger group chat.